Yeah, this is Don N5SKT. I thought I'd show you, yes, the G2's here, but that's not what we're looking at today. We're looking today at the Square SDR and the HLA 305. I've got it connected to the Hermes. And by the way, I'm running a handheld and using my phone, so forgive me. I don't have my other camera equipment here. I'm running version 2.10.3.11, which is the latest release of the Hermes Lite software. The HL or the .12 is still in beta, so I didn't want to run it right now. Anyway, so that's what I'm running. I've got it connected to a Palstar dummy load through this Intellitron watt meter, and so let me run it around to the back here so that y'all can see and forgive the somewhat messy bit of the shack. At least I can walk back here without too much trouble. Anyway, so this is the most goofy power setup for this thing I've ever seen. I don't know if that's really the way that it ships. I bought this used from R&L, but anyway, there's the cable going back into it goes back up under there to the back of the Square SDR. By the way, this is a Hermes Lite clone, so it's or clone, I say. It's another way of doing a Hermes, because he has the N280R, everything all in one nice little package. And then you'll see that I've got the EXT TR switch connected directly here into the PTT of the amplifier. So a minute ago I was testing it, and because I've just like hooked this up for about, I don't know, 5 minutes or so. Anyway, I've been running it. Basically, I'm hitting a tune cycle on the Square to generate load into the HLA. So right now I'm running it manual, and you can see I've got it selected for 40 meters. I've got Thetis set for 40 meters, and here is our thing. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up here with the right keyboard, and we will hit the tune button if I can get the, as I'm looking at it through the screen. And damn it, there we go. Okay, we just hit that. Transmit light comes on there, and about 160 watts out on 40 meters. And according to Thetis, I'm putting 4 watts out. I can get 5 watts out of this thing. I just for the tune, I believe it's not. See, the drive is only set to around 2 dB, so I don't even have it fully pumped. And I'm getting 150 watts out. I could probably go 100 all the way. I shouldn't run this in tune that long. So we will switch it off. Oh, that's weird. I just noticed that I'm getting FT8 signals through through this dummy load, and I can assure you that the dummy load is connected. See, here's the cable for the dummy load. It's coming. Oh, sorry, I'm not even showing you. It's coming into here, but this cable comes right through to here, and then this M&P goes back there to the back of the amplifier. So I'm picking FT8 up through this Palstar dummy load. It's okay. It's I'm sure you saw when I was keying it up. Anyway, what I thought I'd do real quick is we'll take this guy up to 160. I will switch this guy depending on how clumsy I am at it. Let's see, where'd the mouse go? There we go. To 160, and that's 160. This is 160. Let's go ahead and get to the tune button here. We're tuning. There we go, 134 out into the 1.2 to 1 SWR on the dummy load on the 160. But anyway, so we won't run it very long. Transmit lights on. Just wanted to show. Oh, by the way, I've got that set on high. There's a high and a low, and the amp will do a high and a low. I mean, let's look at that real quick. If I switch this thing to low and do that same test again. Okay, there we go. On low, I'm getting 100 watts or thereabouts. Now on other bands, that's gonna go down as you go up in bands. A lot of amplifiers do that. And so let's go back to high. Let's switch this guy down here to 10 meters. There is an auto setting, but I got some goofy things with the amp, with the deal, and I do not have the manual on this, so I need to find out more about how this works automatically. I don't see anything on there for band select, so I assume that this is RF sensing, but for now, let's not mess with that. And anyway, we're going to go back up here. We're going to set this to 160, or I'm sorry, we're going to set it down to 10 meters. And we're going to hit the old tune button to, we are generating 5 watts out on 10. We're getting 111 out. See, we're getting a 1-to-1 on there. We're transmitting 28, and see it's detecting it's 28 megahertz. So anyway, that's the demo I think I'm going to do. Let me switch that amplifier off. I don't want to run that long just in a straight tune cycle. Okay, I know what that is. That's a birdie on 10. That's what that thing is. So anyway, let's switch off the Hermes light because we don't, or the Square. That's what I was going to show y'all is my new toy, along with that new toy, along with this new toy, and back to work, and so little to no time to really have time to play with these things. But boy, that is a great radio. If you ever have a chance to pick one of these up, do. I was extremely lucky. I got the TS 990S. I got the LDG, which you can't even buy anymore, this TM 990 for it. This Heil microphone that came with it. Let's see. I can't remember. PR40, I think, or something like that. It's a Heil microphone there. Let's see if that. I don't know if this will show or not. Yeah, there's a Heil. There it says Heil. I don't know if that's going to be upside down in the video or not. Hopefully not. Heil PR40. The boom came with it. It was the boom and everything was all put together. The only part I had to buy was this thing to hang on the table. And eventually, by the way, this is going to get cleaned up. I'm going to move the Hermes and that amplifier over. Now, I was able to score a glamping tent at Huntsville, and I am seriously considering bringing this Square and amplifier out to field day, or sorry, out to Huntsville just for fun. But that would be in August. It might be too hot to do something like that, but just to let you know, I mean, see, I've got this thing here. Let me bring it in here. It's a GMK Tech small computer. And it's even got, this one's actually nice because it's got two deals on it. The only thing is with the Hermes, I'll need some kind of way of generating a DHCP, but I can set that up in this machine. Anyway, well, actually, no, I can get, well, anyway, we'll worry, I'll figure that out later. So, yeah, I don't need 3 monitors. What I'll do is, this thing, there's the power connector right there. It is 12 volts. And the way that I have run this, and I ran this at Huntsville last time, so this is actually an older machine, but I ran this once before. It's a Nook Box 7. I would put a link for it in the description, but unfortunately it is not available anymore because these things, like, you know, they change every year, and that was, last time I was there was like 2019. But anyway, this is a 12 volt and it's a Intel Pentium. So I don't remember exactly which one it is, but it worked fine in Huntsville when I had it before. And what I'll do for a keyboard and mouse and monitor is I will take this Electro that T.O. had it on his channel, and I have since bought 2 of these, and I just bought a 4th one, or sorry, a 3rd one. We've got them at work. They just work. It's a keyboard and mouse and USB. Looks like a laptop, but it's kind of not. And I mean, it hooks into one of these guys. So essentially, you can change out your CPU. I do have lots of other 12 volt CPUs around, but that one's all set up, ready to go. And anyway, there's good 6 months before Huntsville, so well, actually 8 months almost. So I'll have more time to play around with this. Excuse me. It's been a long day. Been at a NASA conference all day. Anyway, that's all I've got for y'all today. And apologize again for hand-holding this thing. But anyway, it is what it is. This is Don, N5SKT, 73, guys.